beautiful souls. I am Mommy on a Journey and welcome back to my cozy kitchen. If it's your first time coming across my channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. If you're interested in personal development, healthy plant-based eating, or just anything in between, stick around and subscribe because that's what my channel is all about. So today I'll be giving you two of my favorite recipes, because if you don't know by now, I love stews, I love hearty meals. So I'm trying to switch to being full-time vegan. So in order for me to still get that hearty, warmy, flavorful, delicious type of meals, I've been trying a lot of different recipes. So today I found ones that I really like, that are plain and simple, and you can add on, remove as you please. So the first one is going to be the beef stew, and then the second one is going to be a pasta, almost like a Bolognese situation, but I'm going to make them vegan. So the first one, let's start with the first one. It's going to be made with mushrooms. So here's the video. So that's how it is. I totally loved this meal. It was delicious. It felt very warm and hearty and everything that I wanted in a stew, so without the meat. So I was very, very happy about this. I'm going to definitely use this, and as time goes, I'm probably going to add potatoes, carrots, and anything that I want to add, but this is the basic version of it, and I completely love it. I hope you do too. But anyway, let's move to the next recipe, which is going to be the pasta, the Bolognese, and it's going to be full plant-based. So here's that. that's my pasta. I totally love this pasta. As I've been saying, one of my favorite recipes. I really enjoyed it. Very hot, warmy, very rich with flavor. At the end, you can also add maybe some margarine or rama if you like. I prefer rama. I added a bit of that to make it more rich, and because meat always has that oily sort of thing, so I added a little bit of that to make it remind me of more of a meaty texture without the meat. So I really enjoyed that. If you did, please like, please comment, please subscribe, keep sharing it with your friends. I truly appreciate you guys. And also feel free to let me know any video that you want to know. I have my Instagram, I have my Facebook. You can go hop over there. Let me know which videos you'd like to see. I'm very open-minded. Any video that you'd like to see on my channel, do let me know and I will cater to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate you. I love you. Bye.